na kasi matanda na daw yung asawa ko, ganun.
What, are you checking the time?
No, it's moving. Look.
Oh, now look at it.
Good morning, Philippines!
Good morning! Good morning, guys! Today is... laban natin ito. Today is Monday. Maglaba tayo. I-drop lang nilo yung niya. Mga bulaklak niya dito. Kasi ako yung mag-alaga for a few weeks. Yung dilig-diligan lang naman. Hindi man yun makulit. Mga halaman nilo. Good morning, guys! Kumusta po yung araw ninyo, guys? Laba-laba time tayo, guys. Guys, alam nyo, nagising ako this morning. 5. Bumalik akong natulog kasi narinig ko yung ulan. Sabi ko, ang sarap pakinggan yung ulan. Yung ulan ba, ang sarap pakinggan. Kasi iwan ko yung... Basta, sarap lang pakinggan ng ulan. Sabi ko, tulog tayo ulit. Sus, mga almost na mga 7 something na talaga. 7:30 na ata yun. Almost, mga ganun. So, sabi ko, hala, patay. Ano na pala, late na. Yung pusa ko nagwala, guys. Kawawa. Si Dimples nagwala. Kasi gutom. Kasi usually, pakainin ko sila mga between 6 and 7. Kain na yan sila. And yun.
How many are?
3, hold on. 3, 4, 5, 6. May turkey sa guys. Sa fence namin. Ready to eat na yan, Han? Is that ready to eat?
I guess they're looking for bird food.
They're on top of the fence. Hala, there is more in the side. Shit. There's more.
There's usually like 30.
Yeah, there's more in the between, in our fence, in the Harold side.
Yeah.
Oh my God, it's a lot of them.
All right. We're on a 6 too.
Yeah. Oh, bukas is New Year. Bukas is 31, New Year's Eve. So ang mangyayari, si Tami trabaho siya pagka January 1 talaga New Year's Day trabaho sila. Ihatid si Lloydie dito bukas. Dito siya matulog. Kasi trabaho yung asawa niya, and then manonood na lang kami ng doon sa yung sa city ba sa Manhattan. Manonood na lang kami yung bulan na patagak. Mga bulaklak nilo, ito nagagandahan talaga ako nito. Look. Ang ganda niya. Sana hindi ito mamatay. Ano to dito? Okay lang. Sana hindi ito mamatay kasi look, ang ganda, diba? Wala na siyang dahon pero nag-start na, oh. Ganda naman ito. Basa-basa pa man siya. I have to water that thing. I-water ko lang to sa akin, guys, kasi dry na pala. So, Tommy will be here later on. Siya, mamaya pa yun, may mga gagawin lang yun. May mga pupuntahan. Yun. Yung Kylo, okay lang yun kasi siya, tinubigan niya, babasa pa man yung Basta yung flower, basta yung soil ng basta basa pa. Huwag niyo palaging tubigan. Kasi maano siya kasi parang malata. Parang ma-overwater mo siya, din masira tuloy, mamatay yung flower. Hi guys! Dito tayo sa taas, guys. Anyway, so wala ako masyadong ganap today. So meron tayong pag-usapan. May mga magtatanong, may mga makikita kayong hindi magagandang comments sa video ko, 'di ba? May mga hindi magandang comments, pero mostly talaga ang babait ninyo, pero may mga iba talaga diyon na masakit mag-comment, pero hindi naman ako affected, guys. Noon talagang sobrang talaga ako, pero ngayon iba na talaga yung buhay. So hindi na ako apektado, pero may mga iba talaga na parang kahit hindi ka na apektado pero tago sa puso yung hindi lang yun doon sa ang daming nagmi-message, yung iba binabasa ko yung sa Facebook Messenger, sa Facebook page natin. Mas marami yung nagpa-private message. So, thank you guys so much sa mga magsasabi na sana magkaanak na kayo, sana meron kayong little Tammy at saka little Mary Ann, ganun. So, salamat naman sa inyo. May mga magtatanong din na, sino bang baog? may mga nagko-comment doon sa YouTube ano natin, sa YouTube mga video na baog ako, ganun okay, kung baog ako, sino ka ba? Okay, sino ka ba? Okay lang ako, no? Yung may magsasabi, magtatanong din, okay pa ba yung sex life ninyo? Ganun, kung okay pa ba? Kasi, kasi nga, matanda na daw yung asawa ko, ganun. Sobrang tanda na daw, lulo na daw. May mga ganun, guys. Alam nyo, guys, may mabasa akong mga comments sa mga old videos ko. 'Di ba yung YouTube, makikita mo yung sino nag-comment sa kung aling videos. So, yung mga old videos ko, ang daming mga ganun na, oy, si Lulo, ganun, ang lulo mo ba yon or ano ba yan, yung papa ba yan ng asawa mo, ganun. Noon, sobrang sakit ng ganun, pero nasanay na ako, guys, hindi na ako apektado. Pero yung sa mga private messages is yung mga private messages na like, malakas pa ba yung asawa mo sa kama? Ba't wala kayong anak? Ano ba, gaganahan ka pa ba sa ganun? Sus, Ginoo ko. Alam nyo, guys, kahit matanda yung asawa ko, guys, kahit maedad yan, kahit mas mataas pa yung edad mas mataas pa yung edad niya kaysa sa akin, alam nyo ba? Fighter pa yun yan, guys. Fighter pa yun. Kung pwede pa lang yun magpa-fight ng mga fire doon. Teka muna. Itapon na. Yeah, fighter yun. Ay, Ginoo ko. For adult po, ito yung mga conversation na ito, ha, for adult only, kasi hindi pwede ito sa mga bata. Kasi alam ko naman yung nanonood dito sa channel ko is mataas yung edad, hindi naman baba. Mataas talaga yung edad. May mga magsasabi na, kasi wala pa kayong anak, baka hindi kayo gumaganahan, yung ganon, baka hindi kayo gumagawa palagi, ganon. Mga private na mga dapat gawin namin, tinatanong pa talaga kung okay pa ba yung sex life, ganun. Okay pa, guys, wala namang problema sa mga ganun. Pero paminsan kasi, guys, totoo lang, ha, kahit okay yung mga, okay siya, okay din ako yung paminsan ayaw. Alam nyo, nakakapagod. Alam nyo, pagkatapos ng ganun, pagkatapos ng jerjer, ang kapoy. Ang sobrang kapoy, pagod, same story, ganun, linis, tatata. Pero, hindi, guys, yung namin is okay lang naman. Perfectly fine. Sino tong nagme-message? Yung iba dyan, mga bata pa, hindi, pagod na, hindi na pero sa amin, hindi ibig sabihin na matanda yung asawa ko. Wala ng jerjer. Ang daming jerjer nagaganap. Hindi nyo lang alam. Pero nakakapagod yun, guys. Uy, Ginoo ko kayo nga, be. Tanungin ko kayo. Tanungin ko kayo. Okay, tanungin ko kayo dyan. Yung nanonood dyan na may mga asawa. Huwag nyong gawin. Kung wala kayong asawa, huwag nyong gawin yan. Pero kayo, itatanungin ko kayo. Sa totoo, masarap pero nakakapagod, di ba? Ganon yan, guys. Kaya una lang yan sa isip lang yan natin yan kapag jerjer pa more pagkatapos nakakapagod, di ba? May time talaga na isipin natin na masarap man yan pero after nyan nakakapagod, wag na. Yun, di ba? May mga ganon. Ako kasi paminsan kasi iniisip ko yung mamaya after nito is nakakapagod. Wag na. Wag na. Yung ganon. Okay? Natural life naman ito, guys. Hindi naman ito pakarong na Pero if you're asking about Tammy, kung magtatanong kayo about kay Tammy, yes, malakas pa yan. Huri. Naghintay lang ako kay Tammy. Ang tagal naman ni Tammy. And, iwan ko. Tawagan natin ha.
Hello?
Hi.
Hello?
Hi.
Hello?
Tammy, can you hear me?
Hello? This phone. Hello?
Can you hear me? Hindi niya ako marinig. Sobrang itchy dito. Can you hear me?
I hear you now.
Okay, so what happened?
Nothing. I just finished getting dressed, coming out of the shower. The boiler didn't have hot water, so it took me a while to start the boiler.
Oh my
up.
God, that was really a long time, Tommy.
Yeah, well, I had no hot water. I didn't know the boiler didn't have hot water.
Freaking 3 hours.
You there?
Yeah, I'm here.
I don't know. And the phone's doing screwy things. When you called before, I tried to slide the phone to answer it. Wouldn't slide. Wouldn't slide. When I finally slid it, I answered the phone and I had nothing. You weren't there. I didn't hear nothing.
Then you have to hurry up, Tommy. It's like 1 o'clock.
I know.
If you really wanted to come here, you should be like showering here. It's like not like take forever over there. What's wrong with you?
Well, you already know why I shower here, but yeah.
Lumabas lang ako kasi tinignan ko yung in-order ko sa Amazon. Nag-order ako ng para sa GoPro case at saka tripod. Kaya hindi nila dineliver dito sa garage area. Doon lang sa mailbox nila nilagay. And hopefully andito yung dalawang order ko. Kasi dalawa yung in-order ko. Ito yung nasa loob. Hala, ang gamay naman ito. Ang liit pala. Ang liit ng tripod, guys. At saka ang gaan. Oh, tignan nyo. So, ito siya. Tignan natin yung laman. Look, andito na lahat. Ano ito siya, guys? Mga accessories. Ito yung tatlong klaseng filter. Kapag nagpi-film ka, and then gusto mong mag-filter, may tatlong filter. And ano to? Ito yung silicone na para hindi magka-dust. Hindi magka-ano yung kasi maganda ito as in kasi mahawakan mo talaga yung camera mo, hindi mo mahuhulog. Meron siyang ito siya yung screen protector. Yun, screen protector. And, of course, yung case. Waterproof case. Yun. Malaki siya. Lumalaki siya, diba? Hindi ko ito alam kung paano i-open. Na, umiyak-iyak na si Habs, guys. Okay, dito na. Safe na siya. And open natin ito kung worth it ba talaga to. Ito guys, siya? 15 bucks. Wala, ang dami na. Oh, look, tripod siya guys. Tripod. And, hindi lang yan ganon. Ay, hala. Di ba may instruction ito? Akala ko kung gaano kataas. Ito lang pala. Akala ko sobrang taas. Ito lang pala siya. Okay, ito siya. Hi, guys! I think okay lang siya ganito, diba? Kita pa rin ako, ganon. Ma-adjust man ito siya. So, yun yung talaga. Pwede ganito. Depende na yan sa'yo. Hello? 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 Misty's excited. Hello, Miss? Dada's here. Hello? 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 Oh, another box. Oh. Another box. Do you love your kids happy to see you all the time?
Yeah.
They're always maniac, right?
Hey, little man. What happened? You didn't make it all the way to the ground? What you doing, girls?
Ay, silver ni Bianan, guys. Ay, Han! This is rusted.
Yeah, not rusted.
It's real silver, right?
Mm-hmm.
This is mother-in-law's
Silver is tarnished, not rust.
tarnished. Real silver, Tommy said. We have a lot of utensils now.
Just one of those pieces.
Okay. Maybe from her wedding. We're good, hon. You don't listen. Just get the popcorn for the movie. That's it. You know that pork thing, like a bacon fat thing.
Pork bellies.
Pork bellies, but it's like the fat one. Slow down here, honey. The one that I refry, that you like to eat. That I buy that one, and then I told you to get it. And that's why you buy that. Buy. Slow down here. It's icy. that one. I can cook that tomorrow before you go. You can eat that. We have onions. Yes. It's like a long spicy thing, green. It's like a chili. It looks like an jalapeno, but it's kind of long. No, not spicy. Not the jalapeno and the short, a fat thing. That's not that. This one is a long and then pointy in the end. Long green one. A long pepper. I don't know how you call it. One. Okay, Tommy is there. And doon si Tommy, guys. 4 o'clock na something. And, yun, hintayin na lang natin si Tommy lalabas dyan. Hindi ako mag-ano, guys. Hindi ako punta doon. Kasi hindi ako nagbihis. Tignan nyo yung suot ko. Hindi ako nagbihis. So, dito lang ako sa loob. And, yun. Yun, guys, si Tommy. Ooh, ang dilim, guys. Grabe. What did you get? Did you get?
I guess we'll see when we get home.
What? Well, it seems like a lot. Light and your lights on. Okay guys, we are home. Sobrang init sa sasakyan. Yung mukha ko parang summer na ba. Pero eto, nag-ayos na sa labas. Why, you buy more steak like we don't have a steak?
Onion and tomatoes. You said you don't need, so I'll take it with my salad.
Bumili na naman yung steak. Bumili na naman siya ng steak. Oh my God. Hindi talaga makapag-ano tong asawa ko. Sabi pa niya, that's the problem when you go shopping hungry. Look at that. Then if he is hungry, he should do common sense. Like, I'm hungry and I'm not buying a lot. But no.
I need cheese.
You have to put the bag what you're gonna bring.
This is turkey. Try that turkey.
I don't want to eat that now. You know your kids is hungry. They're hungry.
I know they are.
And what is this, honey? Oh my God, what is this?
Make your own taco. I forget you going to make tacos.
Okay, Tommy got a popcorn for a movie when we watch movie. The one that you got.
Well, you're pretty. You might like it.
It's pretty. Like, did we even eat that? Touch that? No, we don't. What is this? This is for the dog. I'm gonna go to the basement.
Where's the other bag of popcorn?
It's right here.
Should be 2 bags.
Okay, why you get this?
That's for the machine.
Okay.
In case the machine don't work, then you're running the microwave on it, you still have popcorn. But there's 2 bags of that.
Only one. What's in there? Ang daming biniling pagkain ni Tommy para sa mga anak niya. So ngayon, ang gagawin ko is ilagay sa freezer kasi ang dami. Why? Because me of what?
For you. Because they are, right? Because they are.
What is wrong with me, Tommy? Can you just see something? God, did you hear that, guys? This is what I'm dealing with.
You hear that, guys?
In the phone, burping, everything. Nope, there's no space.
Okay.
Kakain lang kami, guys. After this, we're going to... This is good too, huh? You just put so much garlic, but it's good. And we have the leftover from Christmas because we have a lot of leftover. So you're gonna have this or that chicken? Can I have the chicken then?
What? There's a lot of this in here.
This is it.
Oh, no, I'm saying, you got
The chicken.
What, are you checking the time?
No, it's moving. Look.
Oh, now look at it. You broke it. Oh, you broke it.
Yeah. Oh.
Let me too, you broke the watch. And you got these squishes over here. Because what? Not enough in my next one? You need to put more in the plate.
That's good, huh?
It's not on. Too much.
Huh?
Put it in almost 3
What?
minutes on.
You
I want it to actually be in there for 3 minutes.
comes the bride.
Put the wheel in there.
2 months. Die. That's good, huh?
Here comes the bride, baby inside.
Here comes the bride. baby's inside. 2 months inside, Han.
2 months inside.
Movie time muna kami, guys. Movie time. Yun, yung pinapanood pala namin is ano? Watchmen. Hi guys, yung movie na pinapanood pala namin is 3 hours. I don't realize it's 3-hour movie. We're going to bed. Good night, guys. See you tomorrow. Say good night, Han.
Good night, guys.
Sleepy na siya, guys. Anyway, good night. I will see you tomorrow kasi matulog na kami kasi bukas is mag-snow naman. Start already, Han?
What?
The ice and thing.
I had that a long time ago.
Yeah, but it's still icy, rainy.
Still doing something.
Okay, guys. Good night. Bye.